Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by taking off the tray and harness. Do this now so you can see mount points clearly. Once done, loosen visible screws with the correct bit and place them in a container so nothing walks away. If a bolt feels stuck, spray a little lubricant and wait 1 to 2 minutes. This eases seizure and reduces stripping. Make sure to note orientation of each part as you remove it, because reassembly depends on returning pieces exactly how they sat. You now inspect the moving parts. Press latches, slide adjustable rails, and look for cracks or worn pins, because function fails where stress concentrates. Once you identify a problem piece, remove it and compare to replacement parts. Match size and thread before fitting. Clean all mating surfaces with mild detergent and a soft brush so parts seat properly. Then grease pivot points lightly with silicone lubricant. This restores smooth action without attracting debris and makes future adjustments far easier. You'll finish by putting parts back in reverse order, aligning tabs before tightening screws so nothing binds. Once assembled, test each function: latch engagement, recline positions, and height locks. Apply a firm 10 to 15-pound pull on joints to verify stability. If something feels loose, make small torque adjustments and retest until crisp. One troubleshooting tip: if a persistent wobble or noise remains, loosen the nearby bolt slightly, realign the hinge, then red-tighten evenly. Misalignment is often the hidden cause.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.